Hi, in this video, I would like to discuss about sum if function in Excel. So sum if function is very powerful functions to calculate the value on the basis of condition. So condition means how many conditions. So sum if function works on only single condition. If you have only single condition and you want to add up value on the basis of single condition, then definitely you can use the sum if function. And same result you can take through the sum product function. So sum product function is very global functions to apply instead of count if, sum if, and sum ifs. So here parallelly I will use sum if and sum product. I will let you know how we can utilize the sum if and how we can utilize the sum product. So let's see the practical approach. So here I'm moving on sheets. So this is our data set. So this is data set second. In this data set, I will use sum if and sum product. So see here, definition of sum if again. Sum if function returns sum on single criteria or condition. So here, what I have to calculate as per header, I need to calculate total sales. On the basis of which data? On the basis of region, you have to calculate the sales. You have to segregate the sales value on the basis of different region. So let's see how here I'm applying sum if. So you need to apply here sum if. So what is your criteria? My criteria is region. So same data range you have to take from data sets. So I'm moving on data set 2. So pressing control page up key to navigate your sheet. So here I'm taking a complete range of region. So here I'm taking complete range of region from n column, freezed it. So if you are taking any data from your data set, number of time you have to freeze row and column both. Most of the time you have to freeze row and column both. Comma. So I have already taken range. Range is criteria range. Criteria. So what is your criteria? If you have taken the range of region, then criteria is region. So here is region. Take reference of this. Then if you want to freeze here, then you have to freeze here column. Why I'm freezing here column? Because in A column, we have list of the region, but row is different in each region. So that's why I have freezed here column, not row, comma. Then what is the last parameter? Last parameter is sum range. What you want to calculate? What you want to sum? I want to calculate here sales value. So you have to go there in data sets and take complete range of sales from F column. Freeze it, bracket close, and enter. So see here you are getting sales on the basis of region. If you want to take same output through the sum product, you can do. So here I'm taking, so here I'm taking format also. So see here, I want to take same output through the sum product. So here I will apply sum product, bracket close twice. Always sum product is starting with double bracket. So here I have taken double bracket, double start bracket. Then what is your condition? My condition is region. So you have to go to data sets and take complete range of region. So complete of region from n column. Freeze it. Then you have to take equal to. Never try to take here comma. Always you have to take equal to. Then you have to go there and take region. Then here you need to freeze column bracket close. So I have taken the criteria range N2 to N8400 and criteria is A5 of this summary data sets A5. This is the A5 value. And next is what I want to calculate. So if you want to take some range, then you have to take here star bracket start, and then you have to go to data sets and take complete range of cells. So here I'm taking complete range of cells, bracket close twice. Why I'm closing two brackets? My first, this first bracket is closing of this bracket, and this last bracket is closing of this bracket. Enter. See here, you are getting same result through the sum product. So this result is from SUMIF and this result is from Sumprodu. So this is the one example. Now I'm taking another example. So in this scenario, what I have to do? I need to calculate here profit or loss. So profit, what is the difference between profits and loss? Profit is if we are getting any value, here we have profit column. If we are getting any value which is in positive, so these are negative value, so this is the loss. If my value is more than 0, that is a positive value and that is a profit. Okay, so see here, my positive value is starting from, so wait, these are positive value which is a profit value, but whatever negative value you are looking, these are loss. So how we can calculate the profit and loss? So see here, I'm just taking profit value. So here I will apply some if, okay, then you have to go to data sets, but make sure what is your criteria. My criteria is region. So here my criteria is region. So you have to go there and take region column from n column. Phrased it equal to, then you have to take, no equal to, here you need to take comma, then you have to go there and take criteria as a region, and here you need to freeze column, comma, then you have to take some range. So you have to go there and take complete range of profit column. My profit column is in I column, so you have to take complete range of profit column, bracket close, enter. So this is the actual profit. Okay, so this is the actual profit I have calculated. Same thing we can take through the sum products. So let's see here. I want to calculate total profit through the sum product. So here I'm applying sum product, bracket start twice. Your criteria is region, so you have to go to data sets and take complete range of region from n column, phrased it equal to, you have to go there and take criteria as a region, bracket close, star, bracket start. Then you have to decide what you want to calculate. I want to calculate here profit. So you have to take complete range of profit from I column, phrased it. So here I'm taking some range at last range. So this is the last range of this function. We can take some range in starting as well. So there is no boundation in some product to where you have to take some range. So here I have taken the sum range as a last range in this formula, in this function, enter. So you can see here I'm getting same result, whatever result I have received through the SUMIF function. So 2841 is a profit of Nunavut region. Same 2841 is a profit of Nunavut region through the sum products. So here I'm just copying the format, enter. Yeah. So this is the way to calculate the profit on the basis of single condition through the SUMIF and through the sum products. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.